Namaskar students. In today's session, I will be discussing a very important component related to our paper, that is presentation skills. Presentation skills come under Unit 3 of our syllabus. Let's begin. What is a presentation? Presentation is a means of communication where the content, whether it's an idea, information, or a product, is displayed, described, and explained. So it is a means of communication. Presentation is a formal medium of communication. Always remember that presentation is a formal medium of communication, meaning that while delivering the presentation, we should be in formal attire, we should use formal language, and we are expected to follow a formal decorum. What are the various skills for presentation? Body language, voice projection, and knowing the audience. I have discussed all three of these individually. To continue, skills for presentation, first is body language. Our body language should reflect confidence. We should not seem nervous or fidgety while we are delivering the presentation. We should keep our head and body posture stable, moving, fickling with the pen, fickling with the clothes, with the mic. We should avoid doing such things. We should not try to loosen or stiffen our limbs. We should be in our normal posture. We should look relaxed, calm, and composed. Voice projection. We should be audible. Audible enough that the person sitting in the last row is easily able to hear us. But audible does not mean that we shout. We have to be loud enough, but we do not have to shout. And we should speak naturally. Whatever the medium of communication is, whatever the language of communication is, whether it's English, a foreign language, or our vernacular language, we should try to speak naturally. Knowing the audience. We should understand the audience. Understanding the audience in a sense, what age group would the audience be? Understanding the audience in a sense, academically, how strong the audience would be. What would audience look forward to? How to keep the audience engrossed and entertained and attentive. Our presentation should be structured according to the audience. Now, this is very important. In order to deliver an effective presentation, our presentation should be structured keeping into mind the target audience. Never ever make derogatory or politically charged remark when we are delivering a presentation, because the audience members could comprise of all individuals from any backgrounds. So derogatory remarks, making fun of someone else, politically charged remarks, these should be avoided. How to structure our presentation? Now, to structure our presentation, there are 4 aspects. beginning with introduction of the presentation, main body of the presentation, conclusion, and question answer. Now, presuming that the presentation is going to last for 30 minutes. Let us let us assume that the presentation is of 30 minutes. Then these 30 minutes should be divided accordingly. Introduction, 30 minutes, apologies, introduction should be of 3 minutes. Main body, 15 minutes. Conclusion, 2 minutes. Question answers, 10 minutes. Now, introduction. What can we include in introduction, which is for 3 minutes? Welcoming everyone. Salutation to the dignitaries and guests by introducing yourself and by introducing the topic. So this comes under introduction. Next is the most important aspect of any presentation, main body. Out of 30 minutes, half of the time should be devoted to main body. In any presentation, main body should take half of the tenure, half of the time, half of the duration. What are we supposed to do in the main body? We should inform and explain all the information about the content. If we have prepared any survey or if we have any analysis, we should present it to the audience. We should try to convince the audience, inform the audience. So all our ideas, information, everything we should include in the main body. We can divide the main body into subsections if you want. Conclusion. We summarize the main body in conclusion. And we should conclude the topic effectively and not try to drag on with the topic. We can thank the organizers. And the last part of the presentation is welcoming any questions, doubts, or feedback. Question answer section. Assuming that the presentation is of 30 minutes, 10 minutes should be devoted to question answers. We should try to encourage questions. If no questions are asked from the audience, it means that the presentation was not effective. Audience, people should ask questions about our presentation. Whenever any question is asked, we should answer every question seriously, formally, and honestly. We should never ever try to bluff or provide a fake information, something that we are not aware about during the question answer. Just like in interview skills, if we do not know the answer, we can honestly tell the person asking the question that, apologies sir, apologies ma'am, I do not know the answer. So answers, we should give the answers honestly. And we should thank the individual for questioning. That's very important. What are the traits of an effective presentation? Whichever topic, whichever content, whichever idea, information that we are sharing, we should possess an in-depth knowledge about our content. We should have researched it thoroughly so that any question which is asked, we are able to answer it satisfactorily. We should avoid using jargon and always use a formal language during presentation. And this point is related to always keep the presentation simple. Simple enough that even a layman is able to understand the presentation. Our presentation also depends on how we build rapport with the audience. An effective presentation is always dependent on us on building a strong rapport with the audience. And lastly, we can enhance our presentation, make it more effective by using several audio and visual aids. Maybe we can think of a PowerPoint presentation, or maybe we can think of presenting on an overhead projector using speakers. These are all effective ways that enhances our presentation. Right. Coming to a very important task, assignment. Students, till now, I have never ever emphasized, I have never ever made any assignment compulsory, but this time I am requesting, I am expecting this assignment to be submitted by everyone. You need to prepare a presentation on any topic of your choice. Please make sure that your topic follows all the conventions of an academic setting. Do not take any controversial topic for your presentation. You should structure your presentation for about 10 minutes, meaning you can provide introduction for 1 to 2 minutes, main body 7 to 9 minutes, and conclusion in 1 to 2 minutes. Since we are not face to face, unfortunately, I cannot keep any time, any duration for questions. Maybe next time when we meet in the class, excuse me, we will devote some time for question answer section, which is very important. Okay, you need to video record your presentation and make sure that your upper body is visible, meaning body about your waist is visible. Once you finish recording your video, you need to upload your video either on Google Drive, OneDrive, and then share the link with me. Please remember that you will not be able to send the video to me. Moodle itself has its own limitations. So you need to upload your video and share the link with me. I am keeping a week's time for all of you to submit the assignment. Please remember, this is a compulsory assignment. I hope today's session was informative and interesting. I will see you next time. Thank you, students.